The next panel we have is 1 coat of sanding sealer and 1 coat of Supreme. Supreme is a product that we first made in the early 1960s. There's only ever been one change in formula in all that time. Supreme is 43% solids. The sanding sealer is 37% solids. So it's a 6% difference. It's not a whole lot. You won't see the difference in build by doing 2 fast dry sanding sealer and 1 poly. If you prefer, do 1 sanding sealer and 2 poly. No problem at all. Supreme is like every other oil poly on the market, a 21 to 30 day full cure, okay? It's going to be dry overnight. You're going to be able to walk on it and touch it and everything within, you know, say 8 hours. But a full cure, so area rugs, 21 to 30 days, like every other oil on the market, okay? It's got that amber color that all oils have. This, in our testing, is the best oil poly on the market, except for Primero. Primero is unlike any other oil on the market. This is the same solids content, it's 43%, same as the Supreme, but this is a 10 to 14 day full cure. This has got different resins, different binders, different flattening agents to any other poly. They are more expensive, they cost us more, therefore it costs a little more to buy this product. But it is the fastest curing and the hardest curing oil on the market. Pretty much everybody agrees with that. Everyone wants to argue about water-based, but with oil, Primero is 80% cured in the first 72 hours. At that point, it's harder than any other oil ever reaches. This is harder in 3 days than any other oil is a month later. So I always work for people that are in a hurry. Right? Contractors are always in a hurry. Homeowners want back on their floor. So for me, that was always my go-to, okay? It's very easy to apply. It levels and flows beautifully. Same solids content, 43%, but it's got a slightly different color. It's not so much of that orangey, ambery kind of thing. It's a bit more of like a golden brown. It's a bit of a warmer color, okay? If you're trying to match old Lenmar that's really oranged out, I would suggest not using this because this is more of that golden brown, okay? You're going to be more in the Supreme line. All of our products, except for Endure, are 500 square feet per gallon, okay? So the sealer and the Supreme and Primero, 500 feet a gallon.